Hi guys, July 22nd, 9:56 a.m., $78 profit. You can see I still have the 1,100 or so capital, and so I've used about $1,100, made $78 today. So that's like a 7% ROI, if you will. Every day, 5 to 10% is the goal. You can see I literally trade the Fibonacci. I have my 15-minute resistance over here. So what I did, let's go and see what we did. I made on the Qs, all of it was Qs today, QQQ. I made one put and then a couple of calls, a total of $78. So the first put was when I saw this going down. Let me go here. So I always track the SPY, and then over here I look at the Qs. Sometimes I look at the futures. But as you can see, the first candle was this. When this went down, it was trying to go down a little more. The second candle, 931, and you can see the QQQ went down, went down, went down. So I bought a quick put around here, sold it around here, right? Then I saw it go up and pull back a little. So in the Qs, it was going up and pulled back a little. And when it was kind of basing over here and it just broke through this past resistance, I bought Qs, QQQ, calls, and then I made $67 for total of $78. And I'm done for the day, right? That's basically all I do. And so less than half an hour, $78 profit. So 5 to 10% a day. Literally, you can double your money every month. So hope this makes some sense. I will be putting up a full training later on sometime.